Nike Air Max 95 Big Bubble continues to prove it is more than a short-term revival. What once seemed like a special Air Max Day refresh has steadily grown into a long-term return of the silhouette's original build, reconnecting with fans who have followed the model for decades. In 2026, that momentum carries forward with the Air Max 95 Family Pack, a lineup that highlights creativity and heritage through multiple themed releases. Among them, the Air Max 95 Paris stands out with a clear tribute to the city's deep connection to fashion and craftsmanship. Subtle design details, including blueprint-style graphics and French-inspired wording on the insoles, reinforce the concept. The white and black color scheme is paired with textured fabric sidewalls, featuring raw edges that give off a cut-and-sew aesthetic. This approach blends streetwear energy with atelier-level inspiration, staying true to Paris as a global fashion capital. The Nike Air Max 95 Paris is expected to release in spring 2026.